What's up? What's up YouTube? So nagawa na natin ibaba yung kanyang gearbox, no? Para din tayo nagpalit ng clutch nito, clutch kit. Instead na konti lang yung pisa na papalitan, eh nagkataon naman na yung pisa na nasa loob ng kanyang behind the flywheel. Behind the flywheel is the what it is, the crankshaft sensor. And then yan, madugo yung pagpalit ng crankshaft sensor, guys, kung alam nyo lang, kasi nga binaba pa natin yung kanyang gearbox just to get access on the sensor thing. So now we gonna remove the what it is, the clutch kit, and we also remove the flywheel because we need to know, we need to see, or we have to check eventually on what the status on the flywheel over on the back side, why there is like kind of rubbing around like so. We need to move it first. Use guns to remove the clutch kit here. This is a sunflower socket, 9mm sunflower socket we're using. So this is the thing here. There are only six bolts that is holding the clutch kit. Okay, then we're gonna release the thing. Oh, God. Hard with the fry bar because it's sandwiched in between the dowel and the fry bar to release it. Here. Okay. See what's going on. So you need to like remove this flywheel here, has to be removed. You need to have a look what's going on the inside. But beforehand, we're gonna check on how much is the torque on this one. Gonna check. Okay. So in this case, we're gonna put on the markings so we will not over torque this bolt here, flywheel bolt, and then we put it back based on where it were. So here, here, and then here. You can do whatever you want, but for me, I'm happy with the markings. This is my way of doing in order to not over torque the flywheel, no? Flywheel bolt, because these things are really delicate. Okay, so here, that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna remove the thing in there. Then once we put it back, the bolt has to be aligned itself. Align. So that is 16 mil. Gonna use 16 mil. Eventually gonna use 16 mil for the flywheel bolts, and there are 6 bolts in there. Okay, 16 mil. Start on top. This is really hard. You're gonna need a fry bar in the crack. You're gonna need to crack open this thing in the process. We will try not to use the extension, because if you use too much extension like this one here, it reduces the torque. So we're gonna use a 16. See this one. This thing work. See? Gonna open up into this pattern. Oops. Try not to move that one. We're gonna put it back at the same place there. So everything's loose. Now, to keep this thing align with the position. I'm gonna do this so it won't mess up. Okay. Keep the bolt intact as it is. That's okay. Oof. And then put this thing here, the markings over here, like that. That's on the dowel. Okay. So now we're gonna mount the flywheel. This fiber. We'll see what's going on this flywheel. It's just kind of rubbing on the inside, the back. Careful with this flywheel because this is too heavy. Just wiggle it. Okay, that's it. So obviously the flywheel is touching here on this metal plate. See the sensor? That's the crazy design. Oh my god. So obviously we tried not to put this thing back on because this is some kind of thing. We only put this thing like on these holes here and here and here on the top. Just kind of modified this thing. We just put this thing here like kind of serve as a washer. Okay, so from that we cut into that and on the top as well. See, so that's how the crankshaft sensor is. Obviously you need really to remove the flywheel because the flywheel is sandwiched at the back. So that's the crankshaft sensor, guys. Thank you. It's really kind of pain in the ass. So that's a crankshaft sensor there. So obviously there's no way that you can do magic on the other side. So it is really hard. So whether or not this crankshaft sensor is kind of dodgy because of this. See this kind of thing, like dirty. thing like it's like corroded. So, and then actually before we put this back on, we need to like kind of the what is this, the oil sump has to be done as well, and for that we're gonna do some different strategy, because it sounds like we have here the support, engine support, or this engine support we might transfer here or somewhere else in order to remove this. We have to do the oil sump beforehand. So that's the crankshaft sensor, guys. Actually we are out of the topic. So to replace the crankshaft sensor is here on the behind the flywheel. So you're gonna have to really to remove the gearbox and everything to change it. Thank you.